ia le alofa o le atua, ua whaatau mu'umina le mātou whaamoemoe I le aso. E whaawhenua I le atu ma whaatau alofa atu I le manalu I mātua ma ainga. O lo'u mo o matani o Lofi Vanguna. O mātua e o mai sa le la longa, sa la vanu, sa sina, sa minga, a whenga. My journey at Richmond Road has been the best experience I have ever had. I've had good times and bad times, but that doesn't matter because that's all part of life. Along this journey, I have found true friends that I will never forget, even if I reach 100 years old. These friends that I'm about to thank are Marahi, Hope Tana, and Leilani Jordan. Mara is like a little soldier to me. She's sensitive and tough at the same time. And Hope, you are a soldier. Even if someone is irritating and annoying you, you always keep your head held high. Leilani, you're the one that encourages us to keep it up. I wanted to mention these three because they're like little sisters to me. And they would back me up when needed. So thank you for that. Also, not to forget all the boys in the class. You all have been annoying and fun at times, but I will never forget you guys too. Next, I would like to thank my parents, Lila Vanguna and Ne'unia Vanguna. Ever since I have started school, you two have worked hard at giving me, Siana and Zephaniah an educational experience. Enjoying that, you guys have been very supportive, so thank you. Now I would like to thank my Room 7 teacher, Ramona. Even though she might not be here, she was the one that got me ready for all the years to come. It was amazing working with her. Although you make a good teacher as well, Ms. Tawai. You have brought a lot of humour to Moima life. Even though I haven't worked with you, I have heard amazing stories from my little brother. Now I would like to thank Miss Susie Jo for encouraging me to take a step out of my comfort zone. It's been a pleasure working with you. Now Miss Rowena, my teacher in Room 5. I have to say, I can't believe I made it this far. And I hope you aren't offended, but it was quite challenging keeping up with you. But that's the cool and fun thing about you. You go to challenges. So you're through this year, get ready for a whole lot of challenges next year. This year has been amazing. I've improved a lot and I am showing most of the skills I can do. And that's all because of you, Miss Novena. You have really boosted up my confidence. It's been a pleasure working with you as well. I remember when you would ask me a simple or hard question, I would cry. But now I'm an open book, and I thank you for that. I know I'm gonna be in an unfamiliar environment, but at least I have 7 years in my heart. I will miss all of you, especially you, Hope, with your unexpected, unpredictable expressions and you share with your good sense of humor. Ia manuia le po tai ma manuia le kusi masi.